Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to turn off the option in Google Chrome that offers to send pages in other languages to Google Translate. This quick setting tweak helps keep your browsing cleaner and more in your control, especially if you prefer reading pages in their original language or use another translation tool. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. If you're on a phone or tablet, make sure you have the latest version installed to see the updated layout I'll mention in this guide. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find all your browser options. From here, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Languages. It might be grouped with other advanced settings depending on your device, but don't worry, just take your time scrolling. When you open Languages, you'll notice a few options related to how Chrome handles translation and language display. The one you're looking for says Offer to send pages in other languages to Google Translate. Now simply toggle this feature off. When the switch turns gray, it means the option is disabled. From now on, Chrome won't automatically send or suggest pages for translation. You'll still be able to translate things manually whenever you choose, but the browser won't take over or prompt you unexpectedly. That's all there is